Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. I apologize if the sound isn't the best. I'm filming this in my living room, our front space, and I just didn't feel like grabbing my microphone. So you might hear, one, you might hear Josh playing Skyrim in the basement, and two, we just got Bandit a new toy. It's this big candy cane. And he loves it, so you might hear that in the background. So I'm not gonna talk too much in this video. It's mostly gonna be just like you watching me select shades, maybe some soft music playing in the background. But to start this off, I always wanna show you what we had in my Build Your Own palette. I didn't tell you what this was. This is the Build Your Own palette for November. I am filming this 2 weeks late, so realistically, this is only gonna be like 2 or 3 weeks of use in the next palette, which is totally fine by me, but I still wanted to show you what, I'll have over here the color story that we were working on, or maybe I'll have it on this side, I don't really know. But yeah, this is how our palette, my palette, is looking now. So definitely some use, definitely some pans you can see shimmering in. And I'm ready to put some stuff back. This is in a project pan, but I don't know if I really necessarily want it because there is a pretty decent dip in there, and I don't really want to reserve an entire space in my 12 pan palette for this, but now saying that, I don't reach for it that often, so if I don't keep it in this, I'll probably not reach for it. So let me take this out, let me clean this palette off, and then we're gonna go over and stuff this 12 pan palette with new eyeshadows, and I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to this. So give me 1 second, let me just give me some cleaning stuff. I have actual no idea where that just took off because my camera just fell onto my eyeshadow, so there's a little bit of eyeshadow, but no casualties. That's always a good sign, no casualties in here. So let me zoom in a little bit more and let me just clean this out, and then we're gonna grab some shades and hopefully my camera doesn't fall again. It's sturdy, I don't know, maybe just like my fat butt walking around jostled it enough. So let me just take these out and clean this palette out. All right, I'm not doing like the most thorough clean job, but that's fine. So let me, I'm gonna just stuff all this back. I'm gonna leave this one out, but I'm gonna put everything else back into its like home, and then we're gonna like shop my singles collection and select the new shadows. But again, I don't think I'm gonna have a voiceover. If I have anything to interject, you'll hear it, but for the most part, this is just gonna be music over top. Yeah, not everything has like its own spot anymore. Or if it does, I just need to rearrange this palette is really what it boils down to. So that's gonna stay in. I think maybe first I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette and just see if there's anything in here that I really want. I am thinking like this. Actually, I'm gonna pull this one too, so that's fine, that's fine. We're just gonna call it a day with those. Next, I wanna look at a pre-made singles palette that Josh had gotten me for my birthday last year, and I think I wanna pick a couple out of here. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna pull that guy out. This is Skyway by ColourPop. This is the Magic Hour palette, by the way. Then I want to pull mostly out of my normal singles this collection of items. I think the first I want to pull is, I actually want to pull these two from Cleona. I have Opulent and then Corrosion. No, Ornamental, duh. All right, I'm gonna save the swatches for the very end actually, so just hold tight and we'll swatch everything out later, but that's what we're looking like right now so far. Thinking one of these elf colors. This guy. I'm gonna put that back. I don't need so many pinks right now. I don't need that many pinks. I have a couple cooler tones here and here, and this, where I don't think I necessarily need it. I'm gonna pull this guy for an inner corner pop, and I had to change my camera battery, so hold tight. Okay, I think what I want to pull in here is going to be something like one of this or this. I think it's this one. I'm going to pull this guy. This is Best Coast Scenario. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, why not? But this is what my color palette is going to be looking like for the month of November, or at least the last couple weeks of November. We'll see how long this takes me through till, but I really, really like this palette. I am not mad, especially like these Cleona shades are so sparkly and amazing, so I cannot wait to wear them to work and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's any looks that you would like to see with this, or like any color combinations that you would do with this palette in particular. But yeah, until the next video, I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!